Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Wandering Off channel. Today we will be exploring the two beautiful islands, Levanzo and Favignana. These are also known as the Egadian Islands and are a short ferry ride away from a small coastal town called Trapani. So here we are on the beautiful island of Levanzo, having some gelato, amoretti. And we're gonna go explore some. We're gonna go explore some cave systems soon, and yeah, maybe jump in the water and then go back to Favignano.
Yeah. I think it'll be nice.
Alex and I couldn't figure out what to do in Trapani, and then because we realized, as with every other Italian town we've been to, when you Google that Italian town, it doesn't actually show you that Italian town. It shows you all the surrounding Italian towns that you should visit if you're in said Italian town. So Trapani always showed pictures of this crystal blue water with these white homes and all this stuff, and we were like, wow, we have to go to Trapani. But instead, it was about an 11 euro ferry away. So here we are. We're going to explore this lovely island. Then we're going to go to Favignana. Then we're going to go to Favignana.
But basically, Trapani was like a good midpoint. Like, it's not Trapani itself that's like gorge you have to visit. It's
Everything else.
Yeah, it's just like it's a good place to settle down.
Yesterday we had a nice little loaf day because we had a very, very aggressively packed day in Agrigento. And yeah, so we're gonna make up for it today by visiting two beautiful islands and a medieval town on top of a castle, on top of a hill.
That's really good, by the way. It's Amarena flavored. I don't even know what that means. I think it's cherry, but it's like cherry with dark chocolate and like graham crackers or something. I don't know, but it's really good.
I concur. So we start with Levanzo, the smallest of the Egadian Islands. This peaceful island has a population of fewer than 500 people, and life here moves at a slow, charming pace. The island's main village is just a handful of whitewashed houses clustered around a tiny harbor.
My travel partner, everyone.
It's so blissful. No cars, no noise, just the sound of the sea and the occasional fishing boat coming in. Since the population is so small, this tiny village offers a rare glimpse into traditional island life, untouched by modern development. Wandering through its quiet streets, you'll find a mix of rustic homes and old stone pathways, all framed by the island's stunning natural scenery. A place where nature and history harmonize perfectly, offering an authentic slice of Mediterranean life. But don't be fooled by the size. Levanzo is packed with history. One of the island's most famous attractions is the Grotta del Genovese, which unfortunately was closed at the time we went, an ancient cave with prehistoric art, which paintings date back over 10,000 years, showing hunters, animals, and even early forms of fishing. Levanzo is perfect for hiking and exploring. They have no paved roads here, just scenic trails that take you along the coast, up into the hills, and offer breathtaking views of the sea and the town below. You can walk from one end of the island to the other in just a few hours, passing hidden coves and pristine beaches. This really makes you feel like you have the whole island to yourself to explore. Next up, we're heading to Favignana, the largest of the Egadian Islands. Often called the butterfly of the Mediterranean because of its shape, Favignana is famous for its stunning beaches, turquoise waters, and rich history. It's a mix of laid-back island life and a vibrant history that has been shaped by centuries of maritime trade, fishing, and even battles. One of the island's most important traditions is tuna fishing, and Favignana was once home to the biggest of tonar, tuna processing factories, in the Mediterranean. Favignana is also known for its incredible beaches, like Cala Rossa, which is often considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Italy. The beaches on Favignana are often dotted with rugged limestone cliffs, which have been shaped not only by nature, but by human hands. The waters around Favignana are perfect for snorkeling and diving, with clear visibility and an abundance of marine life. Sea caves like La Grotta degli Innamorati provide hidden spots for adventuring, offering glimpses of the underwater world and quiet escapes from more popular beaches. Favignana is also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. You can cycle around the island in a single day, passing through olive groves, vineyards, and fields with dotted wildflowers. The island's slower pace of life invites you to take your time exploring hidden beaches, secluded coves that can only be reached by boat or hiking. Pavignano's town center is equally as charming, with its narrow streets, lively piazzas, and old stone buildings. Not a single part of this island was boring at all. The stunning views, the food makes it all worth the trip over. Thank you for watching this video, and if we missed something, let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed. Keep wandering, friends, and please subscribe. I'm serious, dude.